Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable roaming on absolutely any iPhone. Friends, please put your likes under the video, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So let's get down to our topic for today. And in order to enable roaming, first go to your iPhone settings. And then go to cellular. Now folks, if you have multiple SIM cards, then here in the middle of the screen, you will be able to see a list of 2 SIM cards, and you will have to select the SIM card where you would like to enable roaming. If you have one SIM card, as I do, then your menu will look like this, and you'll need to find the roaming data here. If you have an older model iPhone, then, as in my case, you can find roaming data here if you click on this option. If you have a newer model, then you'll find the roaming data right here in the middle of the screen. But you will definitely be able to find it, because this option is definitely in the list of settings of your cell phone. So, once you find the roaming data, the only thing you need to do is to activate it by turning on this button right here. And you can do the same if you have, let's say, 2 SIM cards and you want to enable roaming on both SIM cards. Friends, this is a quick and easy way to enable roaming on absolutely any iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful, friends. Please put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.